Uptown Swing. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Val, and this is level 3, connection notes.
It was really, really fun. We did a lot of things. We did a lot of papa porridge, mama porridge, baby porridge times.
You had to be there.
You had to be there. You really did.
Because you would not have.
What we're looking for is the happy medium, which is that perfect porridge. That's right, yeah. And so one thing that we did was we talked about how leaders kind of move first. They move their body first, and then their hands move, and then
followers come.
the followers come. And we did that a couple times. We did put that in the context of the swing out.
Start with swing thing. We and then we swung out. So we waited for that connection. And
Then we also talked about 3 and 4 in the swing out. Putting your hand on the back.
how much posture matters. You don't go like this because you like slip it around
Woo!
here. You don't want to be all like this either.
Ugh.
You want it to be nice and comfortable.
And then we talked about this one point in count 3, where leaders are 5, where leaders are taking a step. Their body should go first, and then hand, and then the follow.
And then we did swing outs a bunch, and hopefully they felt different. Hopefully they felt better.
Practice it. We'll see you next week.